kahit mga rape scene or kahit nagkaroon din po ako ng lesbian po ako, lahat, ewan ko kung tama yung word na pinapatulan ko yung role or yung ina-accept ko na lang yung show, ganyan. Siguro, maganda rin po yun sa akin kasi nag-grow ako as an artist kasi hindi naman po ako perfect na actress. And marami pong mga challenges ako natutunan for that and nakikita. Siyempre, ibang-ibang tao rin po yung mga kaharap ko. And after Darna, of course, it's really up to management. So, maybe after po na magpahinga for the meantime, may mga nakalatag naman na din po mga ibang movies or future projects po. And pag-uusapan na lang po namin yung dito.
Pero since nagbida ka, okay pa ba sa'yo to accept supporting roles?
Why not? I'm open naman po. Basta it really depends po with the story and with the character.
My second question is, syempre Jane, marami ka nakatrabaho dito sa Darna. Pero after this project, sino yung dream leading man mo na makasama? Or kahit sa mga veteran?
Dream leading man? Actually, marami naman po akong gustong makatrabahong artista. Kasi yung isang dream leading man ko si Paolo Avellino, he was supposed to be my leading man po kasi sa Darna movie. So, well, alam naman po niya yun na, I think alam naman din niya na crush ko siya. Sana, I mean, kung hindi po natuloy yung Darna movie, I mean, looking forward pa rin po kung makatrabaho siya. But, I'm really open to everyone naman po, kahit sa ibang network. Yeah.
Ayun na. And last na lang, AJ and Justine. Being Jane, ano yung pinaka, dito kasi sa Darna, ang dami mong hinarap na laban. So, being Jane, ano yung pinaka malaki at pinaka mabigat na laban na hinarap mo sa buhay mo at sa mga nambabash sa'yo? And how did you overcome it?
Siguro po yung unang-una is yung na-announce po ko bilang Darna way back 2019. Kasi hindi ko po talaga alam kung paano ko po siya gagawin. Kasi una pa lang po sa lahat, hindi ko naman po talaga in-expect na ako po yung mapipili as Darna. But, yun nga, syempre nasaktan din po ako noong una, sa unang labas sa social media. Parang na-overwhelmed ako. But, kalauna naman po, nandyan po yung management and my family to help me to cope up po sa mga ganung situation. And for me, it's very normal naman na sa akin when it comes sa bashing, ganyan. I think we just need to maybe stay away from social media sometimes or kaya mo na just let go and let it pass. Yun. Wait, wala na po. It's no big deal. Yeah.
So, mas tahimik ang buhay mo, Jane?
Actually, tahimik po talaga yung buhay ko ngayon. Ginugulo lang po talaga ni Nasijan pati ni LA. No, but for real po, tahimik po buhay ko ngayon. And I'm really blessed po talaga.
Okay, thank you and good luck.
Thanks, Ms. Janice. Ayan, we are now down to the last and finale question, a killer question from Sunday Inquiry Lifestyle, Alex Brosas. Mare! And mga favorite mo. Ito na, for the record, 16 articles daw ang nasulat niya when we had a media con, Justin, ng unang media con natin. Tama ba 16 articles yung nilabas na inquiry? Taray. Sorry naman sa 2.
Punta ka sa akin.
I know, right.
Kasi dalawa ang kulang.
Gcash ko na lang, Gcash.
To Janela, you were bashed for playing a villain in this series, and you were recognized at the same time for playing an iconic character. What matters most to you, being bashed for playing a role to the hill, or playing an iconic character which many idolized?
Ay, parang mang-aaway si Kuya Alex.
That's actually easy for me. Playing an iconic character for me is more important. Kasi yung bashers, hindi naman mawawala yun.
Meron ba? Meron ka?
Actually, konti lang naman. For this role, halos wala naman akong experience much. But yeah, I'm just really honored to be able to play an iconic role, honestly. And considering pa nga the people who portrayed Valentina before, si Miss Sherry Hill, sina Miss Celia Rodriguez, madami pang iba. Mas doon ako nagfo-focus na sana nagawa ko siya as like with my own style. Sana nagawa ko siya successfully. Ayun.
To Jane, playing Darna, a very iconic role, puts you in comparison with previous Darnas like Vilma Santos or Sharon Cuneta or even Regine Velasquez. How do you cope?
Angel
Locsin. How do you cope up with comparisons?
With that naman po sa pagko-compare, actually, may mga sarili-sarili po kaming tatak na ginawa po as Darna. And I think ayun yung iba po sa amin, especially with the story, with the costume, and with the villains. And pero parehas naman po yung effort and craft na binigay namin for the show. Yun po.
She gave the tatak Jane De Leon.
One last question. Jane, who is the Darna we do not know?
Ano siya? Personally, like Jane?
Whatever.
Pati ako naguluhan Parang kinapa ko. Teka.
You want a killer question?
Yan na yun, Mari. Tama
kill her. Charot.
Chika na yun.
Ano ang meron kay Darna na hindi
No,
alam?
who is Darna? We do not know. Because you played Darna, di ba?
Yeah.
And we are just watching you. So who is the Darna that we do not know?
Okay.
Like me or the character? So,
Whatever.
Yung Darna na hindi namin kilala. Kasi 2 hours na tayo
si Darna.
nagsasalitaan dito, di ba? So anything more you'd like to tell us na hindi mo nasabi?
Oh, you give us a glimpse of Darna for you to answer it better. You give us a glimpse of Darna na sa tingin mo, hindi namin alam. Hindi namin nakikita. Sino yun? Ano yun?
Mapapanood ba namin sa last 2 weeks ito?
Actually, siguro si Darna naman kasi, she's very vocal and open. Siguro ang hindi lang niya pinapakita sa mga tao kapag nasasaktan siya. Yun yung pinaka challenge na binibigyan niya sa sarili niya, especially with her family kasi she needs to be strong in front of everyone. Yan po.
Okay, thank you.
Next time, di ko na mabibigay ang mic sa'yo. Nahihirapan ang cast ko sa killer question.
Articulate naman, thank you.
Alright, and with that question from Alex Brosas, Justin, would you like to...
Maraming salamat from our friends from
Diba? Lumampas tayo ng 5 o'clock.
Kaya nga, I'd like to make a special mention sa friends natin from TV